Holy shit!
shit!
This game is garbage, Nico. What the fuck? Just go fuck them up.
Welcome to hell.
Wisdom tree. Oh, great. They're the ones that did all the Bible games, I think, right?
Yes, this is a Bible game.
Oh no. It's time for Sunday school, but half the class is missing. Good.
This game is actually called Menace Beach, but they redid it for a Bible game.
Venice Beach.
Yeah, it had like Elvis and rock and roll people, and they changed them to like
Yeah, I just got kicked in the face.
normal kids.
Twice.
You have to kill that person. There we go. Bam.
Why am I killing the other people?
You know, they said in the Bible, you must kill other children.
You kill the child.
I like how he turns black when you hit him. Holy shit.
What is this?
He drop kicked your ass. If you pass a plumber, he will try to fuck you up.
What the hell?
Haven't you not read the Bible?
I can't even see what I'm doing right now.
Are you having problems?
How am I supposed to play when I can't see?
Oh my
god. Game. Stop it.
Jesus died for this. I think you have to kill the fellow. Holy fuck!
Jesus!
Oh, great. Oh!
No! Okay. That makes sense.
The original game had rock and roll people and Elvis. That was too violent. They changed them to boys. We're still waiting. You don't want to miss Sunday school.
Sure I do. Be careful not to let any bullets... Oh, bullies. Bullies. Look at that face she's making. Holy shit. Christ. Holy shit. This game is garbage, Nico. What the fuck? Just go fuck them up.
Why do they... Oof! Oh. Do I want the balloon?
I don't know, maybe.
Now what? I'll just wait for her to, like, suicide. Hey, you can jump down from a platform. That's a thing.
Yes.
Holy shit.
Don't get bullied.
Yeah, I'm getting killed. Whoa! Andrew!
What? I never liked Bible games in the first place. Like,
really?
They're awful. They're awful.
Fuck the bombs!
They are not good games ever.
Yeah, but this is fun as hell.
Incorrect.
Fuck, they're onto me! I'm just pressing random buttons. There we... No, fuck. Don't fucking...
Good job, Nico.
There she is again. Fuck! Holy shit! Oh no. Am I supposed to... Kick! Oh god. I don't... Like, hitting people is hard. No! No! God! Help! What the f...
What?
They're just carrying dynamite.
What kind of shitty fucking plumber is that? Carrying fucking... dynamite, or whatever.
Please come down here so I can fuck you in the ass. He's killing himself. Oh yeah! Aren't you having fun?
No. Who is that?
I don't know, but he's about to die.
Is he? Is
I'm
he
not
or
sure.
are you? He's too fat to be sprung.
No! What?
What?
That was... Let's pretend to be each other. You're going the wrong way, Nico. And you have homosexual tendencies. No!
No! No!
I didn't didn't realize your skateboard was possessed.
I didn't either.
But no.
I got nannered. No! Get me out of this corner. No! Stop it!
When I came here, I expected to see people explode. Don't let me down. Oh! Oh! I didn't realize the power you possess was in these Bible games. When you go over the pier, do not roll off into the water.
Oh, look, it's Guile.
Have you seen those stories about those 2-year-old kids who say that they have lived before?
Yeah.
That's some scary shit. One of them knew who murdered them. Oh! Who's this? How did I get
the same dude as before?
The fish killed me. The game can't handle itself.
Well, of course not. It put 40 fucking fish on the screen at a time. Even Mario Brothers can't do that shit.
Oh, okay. Whoa, boom!
Got him. Alright, get out of there.
Oh, my headshot.
Oh, you gotta get him too. Great.
No. I don't. Run, bitch. No.
Yes, you
shit.
do.
I have to kill everyone.
Everyone.
What?
He just threw a knife at you. I can't damage him directly, and I can't jump over him.
You just have to get lucky. He's not getting affected by the kisses.
And if he starts laughing and I'm even near him, like, what the fuck? Just, you take damage, fuck off.
Bam!
He died as I died. Are you serious? Did it count? Is he going to be here? No,
Oh,
good.
nice. The game has been coded.
Excuse me. What the? I can't even move. Little shit ass.
You're incredibly good at Bible games. Doesn't that skateboard of yours go any faster?
Die, fat ass. You don't belong in this world.
The recliner of rage. Yes. Fuck!
Go. Just go. Just go.
Now just really carefully. Whoa!
You just keep pushing the jump button. You'll be okay.
You say that.
I do, because that's what I've been doing.
No! Die, monster.
Time to kill the plumber.
You will perish this fun afternoon. Oh yeah. I have the strategies down now. I'll beat the game easily.
Kid, why are you down here? I'm gonna kill you. Why?
How many plumbers do I have to kill to go to Sunday school?
All of them.
You shit! Yeah! I beat 1 stage, you beat like 5. Oh no. See, you're starting to like the game.
No, I like how the enemies die, that's it. It's like they literally just shatter into pieces.
Oh shit! Skedaddle, skadoodle, your dick is now a poodle. I'm gonna read the whole Bible after this. Oh, fuck! Oh, I need to go, but the fellow is there. Oh no, I fucked this up. Now we are stuck, now we're stuck, I remember this. When James Rolfe was still writing his own scripts, he told me this was a problem. If I go here, we're stuck.
Well, just see if the clown respawns.
I would hope so. Oh yeah!
Hey, he came back. You have to kill him to get the balloon. And you scrolled him off. Good job.
You think I'm a bit retarded? Don't do that. Listen, I'm kinda retarded.
Now go.
Run, bitch. No! You shit!
Go.
Oh no. No, there's people to kill. Yes!
Nope.
We're gonna
You
beat
scrolled
this
her
son of
off.
a bitch.
She doesn't exist anymore.
We're beating the game.
Unfortunately.
Please stop in the river. Yes! No! Let me... Shit! Fuck! Ass! Watch out for the lips. They suck you. No!
Smooched.
Did you remember to bring your Bible? Maybe you should have taken a map too. No! What? I didn't give you permission to laugh.
I need your permission to laugh. Shit!
Now you're getting the spirit. The spirit of this channel. How the fuck did you do that?
I don't know.
I need to tell you. AVGN spent 20 minutes on the spot. You pulled it off on your first go. Because one of
Just
those
spin
springs
and
goes
jump,
down.
spin and jump.
One of those springs goes down and you made it.
Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
Now where's the light switch, you reckon? No! Ain't no Roto-Rooters coming to my house after this one. You will... Who shut down the lights? Like a random thing hit the light switch or something?
Probably the butterfly over there hitting it.
Fucking butterfly. They're strong enough to hit the light switch. Oh, the newspaper, yes. Well, I'll just go. It'll fix itself. It's a dead end!
You can jump down through the pipe.
Right! You're a genius! Holy shit. Now I know how you did it. What?
Just go, just go, just go.
What?
No! Made it every other time and now I just can't even get it over. Yeah, okay, game. Fuck off.
Yeah, I told you. You made a miracle in your first go.
No! Whoever made downward pointing springs needs drug out in the street, their entrails ripped out, and shot in the face.
I guess. No! No, that's down! Ooh! You
Nice,
never...
recovered.
Hmm.
It's a fucking miracle.
That's down!
You got it now. Okay, there are no more downwards. Just go. Just go.
Oh, God.
Fucking go.
I'll kill you! These plumbers have more sins than me. All this, and you get to Sunday school and you're like molested.
This is a shitty DOS game on the NES. Like, no.
You're right, it looks like Commander Keen that was dumped into the toilet. So how the fuck am I supposed to do that?
You just make the jump.
Okay. No. No, God! No, now it's funny. When I do it, it's funny. Yeah. No! Yeah. I made it. That was easy. No! Entropy!
What?
What the hell was that sound? Bloop, bleep, bleep.
One up, I think.
How question mark? Get killed by my small child hands. I'll bring bombs with you. I mean with me. Oh no! Why is there a... Why can you throw bombs down and off the stage?
I don't know. Like...
Oh, fucking
None of this game makes sense. None of it.
I mean, people explode when they're bombed.
People explode when they are exploded.
No, yes. No. What? Andrew?
Hmm?
What's happening?
It's some weird mechanic with the light switch. It was happening to me too. Yeah, you're...
Oh! Wait! I'm tapping it.
What were you doing just there? What the
I was
fuck?
jumping. Because when you jump, you don't go... There was a balloon there all the time?
You had a balloon!
I didn't know.
I didn't either. Just go.
They should have
Just
told
go.
us this. Shit.
No!
Okay.
Just go. Just go. Just go. Just go. Just go.
No, I can't hit the
Nico!
switches. You realize
Fuck the
that...
switches!
You fucking... You know how it is. I'm stuck.
Nico.
Oh, you know what? I just realized. This could be Paperboy on a skateboard. I guess we should play better games at some point.
Yeah, we should play games that aren't Bible games.